Hey YouTube, so Paul and Daisy here, and this morning we're going to do a little folded metal project. We haven't done one for a while, but we just completed one with Michael down in California, so I wanted to share his video and his experience with a custom bracket that we made for him. As the world transpires here and all of our manufacturing is done in China, now we need to bring it back to the US. This is a good way to do it, and we're going to use folded metal here. We've teamed up with them. And for any of your metal needs, if you need from the smallest bracket to a huge project for a school district or anything, so it doesn't matter whether it's for your UTV, for your airplane, for your boat, for your motorcycle, for your car, your truck, your RV, anything, it doesn't matter. We'll look at any project. And when Michael first started this project, he had an idea for a door for the Razor. It's for the S model, 2018 to current model, and it's a little lockable door. Well, that's one project that he brought to our attention, and we were able to do it for him, and we're able to list that product on our website. You can go to our website and see it now at foldedmetal.com. So with that being said, he also wanted a custom bracket, and that's what this video is about. And all he did was he drew on a piece of paper right here. You can see this piece of paper right here, and it was just a simple drawing like that. And then we took it, ran it through CAD and cut it on the saw, and then we sent it to him. So it was super, super cool. Now here's his testimonial.
Hey guys, Mike Landis here. Just wanted to go over a quick bracket that a company called Folded Metal out of St. George, Utah did for me for a siren speaker for a 2019 Polaris Turbo 4. What it allows is me to put a siren or electronic air horn in my side-by-side. So I'd reached out to the gentleman there by the name of Paul Bates and Jeff Keys that have the company, and sent them some dimensions, and they said sure, we'll take a look at it and see what we could come up with. So in about a week's time, they turned around and sent me a prototype bracket, and I wanted to share that with you on the fit and the finish and whatnot. So let me turn my camera. Okay, so here I have my Federal Signal ES100C, which is a 100 watt speaker for a 100 watt siren system. They make 200 watts also. But anyway, this is just the basic 100 watts. Here's the bracket. This is the front half, lower portion of the bracket that they made as a prototype to see if everything would fit in the car. They did an excellent job. This is actually laser. They have a laser CNC cutting table. And how I run across the guys were they were making or are making UV5R Baofeng radio brackets. You guys might be familiar with the rugged radio small handheld radios. Basically the same product. So anyway, this is the bracket assembly they made. And the bracket fits in the front of the radiator and mounts via the front bumper bolt holes. So it mounts here and here, the two fasteners. So it's a little bit tricky. I had to make it so that if I pull the bumper away, it pinches the lower bracket half. And I will show you that real quick. It's going to take me a couple seconds to get this up in here. It's a little tricky. I'll go ahead and set this here. I sit it on the existing flange for the front bumper. I'm going to give it a little leverage. Okay, and sit it down here like so. And let it pinch back a little bit. Now, let me see if I can get this one fastener started. A little trickier there. So here I'm having technical difficulties again. I have a third arm to hold this. So what I'm going to do is try to hold this one hand and give this a little lift. so. Go around to the other side. I'm going to grab my bolts. Also going to lift the speaker like so. Lift the side like so. Sorry for my hand being in the way. There's the bracket in place. Of course, it's not finished. I don't have all the wiring run. That will tuck down. Be put in the loom. And then your grill fits in like so. These come in and pop your grill back in. Like so. There you go. Siren speakers hidden behind the grill. Then I also have a light, 10-inch LED light bar that fits in the front bumper out of the way of the siren. So I'll have clear air, better sound, and turns out awesome. Just gonna remove it and paint it and reinstall it. Thanks, guys.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Michael was the perfect candidate for our company. He just fit, and look at him, he's just awesome on video. And I just want a special thanks to say thanks to Michael and for working with us. His little bracket, you know, it took us about a month to get his little bracket done. And that little door that you see here, you can see it right here, you know, that project took a while to do because it took several attempts at it. We didn't get it right the first time, we didn't get it right the second time, we didn't get it right the third time. It probably took about 5 attempts at it to get something that we wanted, and we had to, it was manufactured several different ways. And we're gonna do a video on that next. This video is more about the custom ones, but this is just a special thanks to say thank you, Michael, we appreciate it, and good luck, you know. And so anybody that needs any of these brackets, just let us know and we're happy to help out. Just leave a comment down below, or you can private message me on Facebook, or you know, if you leave a message down below here, I'll get back to you, trust me. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, peace out. We love you guys. Have a great weekend and be good. Thanks. Bye.